I'm sitting in the car park at Morrison's, talking to myself about a fridge. Hello, Orby. Oh, hello, people of the internet. I'm on holiday. I'm on holiday because the car was in for the MOT on Monday, and I needed to make sure I've got plenty of time to make sure that I could get the work done before going back to work. Not have to book loads of holiday. So what happened was, car went in for the MOT, passed. No money, no moolah, which means I've got spare cash, which means I go on the internet, which means I've got a fridge. I bought a fridge. We're not living on pot noodle anymore. I've got a fridge, man. I've got a fridge and a RidgeMonkey. Yeah, compressor fridge, 16 litres, so it's perfect, fits just underneath the bed. Let me show you. There's the bed. This part of the bed will flip back over on top of this. It's also got a USB for me to charge my lights. So I hope it all fits in here. This could be embarrassing. What are you doing? Oh, it sounds something in there. Some doggy food. Think about it. Lemon garlic herb chicken breast steaks. Chicken chorizo kebabs. Pack of bacon. And salmon and cheddar fish cakes. It's absolutely gorgeous day today. I don't know what to do. I don't know whether to head for Hexham, like I was going to do originally, or pop over to Wales to the sea. I think I might pop over to Wales to the sea and go to Borth and park on the beach at Borth and have a picnic. What do you reckon? Find out when we get there, won't we? See you in a bit. Right, fridge, a RidgeMonkey, and a week. Well, it's Thursday. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go and find the sea because it's boiling hot. No doubt it'll be boiling hot for today and then just chuck it down with rain. We're going to Borth. I'm going to go and sit on the beach and make barbecues with my new fridge, which cost me under 90 quid Amazon, and it's been an absolute belter at the moment. Right, what am I doing? What I'm doing is finding out how to get to Borth. I don't want to do that. Go away. I don't want to go there. It's trying to take me to Hexham. I was going to Hexham originally. Change my mind. Where's the... Change my mind. We're going to Weston. Hey! I've just been on Park for night. There's a beach. There's a park up on the beach. Park up right next to the beach, and it's dog friendly. And it's only an hour and a half. Just under 2 hours. Whereas Borth is nearly 3 hours. Get to Weston. Weston-super-Mare. I'm going to see if we can find somewhere to park overnight. We've actually parked by the park, but it's a bit unlevel. We're going to be on a tilt. So there's a load of cars and vans on the beach up there. So I'm going to go and see if I can figure out what time you got to be off there. But there's also that road there that's got vans on as well, so I'm going to go and check for the parking for that, see what time that finishes. The tide looks like it's coming back in. Looks like we're going to be doing a bit of urban stealth camping tonight. Oh, there's a nice church over there. Might relocate to that. Push him in a bit, but hey. Right, we're in Weston. We're parked up by a park. Well, in the middle of two parks. It's too hot to go and do anything. Dog absolutely cooking. So what I'm going to do is wait till it cools down. 6 o'clock, there's free parking along the front. So 6 o'clock, we'll go up the front and then come back here for the night, I think. Can't really cook here though. Look at this then. Might cook over by the front. In fact, yeah, that's what we'll do. Take the car up by the front and then take the stuff to cook onto the beach. We'll have dinner on the beach. Bye. I put it on that stump. There. Oh, okay. There you go. Right, we're going to go and move around to the seafront. Because you should be able to park there now. I think tonight we'll park down here. Tonight. Car away from the side of the road. Jobs are good. Catching a bit for dinner. Yep, catching a bit for dinner. I've just been sitting here for about 10 minutes wondering why this kettle's not boiling. It's making ever such a racket. I realised it wasn't even turned on. It's just the gas escaping. Stress. That's just the coffee. Div. Anyway, we're having, I'm going to show you because it's a wee break. We're having salmon fish cakes. Still on Weston-super-Mare Beach, cooking fish cakes on a RidgeMonkey. With a cooker that's only got 3 legs. This is hilarious. I hope the tide don't come in too high. Again, flame went out, sitting there for absolutely ages waiting for it to cook. Nothing was cooking. Turn it on again and it burns. just watching the sun go down. You can't see the sunset on this. It's just not picking it up. It's absolutely gorgeous. What a bizarre day. Oh, it's beautiful. It's this view. You can't see the colours of the sky. It's beautiful. It's like a rose gold colour. So yeah, that was Weston-super-Mare cooking cooking fish cakes on the beach. I'm going to wait till the sun goes down a bit more, and then we're going to go and find the park up. The moon's coming up. It's nearly a full moon. Hang on. No, you can't see that. There's a dog. Oops, back in. Park. So I've got to be quite stealthy. I haven't got the blinds up. I've just got my old magnetic curtains up. But there's no houses. There's just a few bits of passing traffic. But yeah, these are the curtains. Army carpet. Been hilarious today. Absolutely hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. Cooking fish cakes on the beach with a full table and chairs and RidgeMonkey. I'm going to bed because I need to keep stealthy.